Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Miss Ver, and I'm here this morning roasting some breadfruit. I have about 9 breadfruits in the fire roasting. We have a lot of rain yesterday, so the woods they are very wet, but I get to catch them. Use a lot of papers and things like that. A lot of gleaner papers to catch the fire. So the fire is catch now. I put in my breadfruit and they started to roast. So I have to make a big fire in order for the wood to light. And this is the yes guys, this is the breadfruit tree, and we call this the monkey breadfruit tree. And the tree is so tall I can hardly catch some of the breadfruit. My brother Joel picked some yesterday, and those are what I'm roasting. And if you can see closely, we have a lot of breadfruit leaf on the tree, and these breadfruit, they are so yellow and nice, man. When they peel, I'll show you it when they finish roasting, and I peel them to see how lovely it is. Well, the fire is catching, fire is going on. I have to keep on fixing the woods under the fire so it can blaze, that my breadfruit can roast quickly. Yes guys. Yes guys, I'm here. I'm going to chop up some more wood for our breadfruit, to put more wood underneath the fire. Yes guys, it's coming on nicely. Yes, it's coming on nicely. Fire is blazing. Big fire. Looking so good. I'm going to go ahead and cut some more stick to put underneath the fire. Yes guys, my breadfruit is coming on nicely. So I'm finished roast now. I'm gonna turn them and see what I can take out, because I think some of them is roasted now. Guys, as you can see, my breadfruit has finished roasting, and there is the rest. So 4 is there, and you have 5 is in the fire. Now I'm going to take them out. Hey guys, I'm here peeling my roast breadfruit. I'm here peeling my roast and breadfruit. And I'm peeling my breadfruit. I don't like to see any black on it. So I have to peel with a paper first, and then I use a towel to hold it after. Hey guys, this is the finishing product of my breadfruit. A whole lot of breadfruit in a big pan. Man, can imagine. I'm going to put some to freeze, and I'm going to heat some. Wow, looking so lovely. Guys, this is Miss Vera again, and I would like you to share the video, subscribe to my video, tell a friend to tell a friend, and like on my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.